A warm welcome to the students of Narayana. This is Radhakrishna standing in front of you. Today we are going to discuss about the physics assignment of class 8. The concept is nothing but sound. Let us see the physics assignment. The concept is nothing but sound. The first question is define pitch and frequency. The first question is nothing but define pitch and frequency. Now let us see. Pitch is nothing but the shrillness of a sound is called pitch. The shrillness of a sound is called pitch. At the same time, pitch of the sound note will depend on frequency. Pitch of the sound note will depend on frequency. And the second definition is nothing but frequency. Frequency is nothing but the number of vibrations per second is called frequency. The number of vibrations made by a particle per unit time is called frequency. So, that is about pitch and shrillness. Okay, shrillness of a sound is called pitch and number of vibrations per second is called frequency. Now let us see the second question, that is, what is the frequency of audible sounds and inaudible sounds? What is the frequency of audible sounds and inaudible sounds? See, the range of audible frequency is, means the range of audible frequency is nothing but 20 vibrations per second. The range of audible frequency is 20 vibrations per second to 20,000 vibrations per second. The range of audible frequency is 20 vibrations per second to 20,000 vibrations per second. This is nothing but range of audible frequency. Okay, and a human being can hear the sounds in between 20 vibrations per second to 20,000 vibrations per second. The sounds having the frequency less than 20 vibrations per second, they are called inaudible sounds. They are called inaudible sounds. At the same time, the sounds having the frequency greater than 20,000 vibrations per second, they are nothing but inaudible sounds. The sounds in between 20 vibrations to 20,000 vibrations per second, they are called audible sounds. Audible sounds. Now let us see the next question, that is, on which property of vibrations determines the pitch of the sound? Explain with example. Explain with example. And already do you know very well, pitch of the sound note will depend on frequency and frequency will depend on pitch. So pitch of the sound note will depend on frequency. Frequency is higher means pitch is also more, and frequency becomes low means pitch is also low. So pitch of the sound note will depend on frequency. It can be explained with one example. Suppose the birds can produce the sound waves having the high pitch. The birds can produce the sound waves with a high pitch. At the same time, the lion can produce the sound waves with low pitch. At the same time, the another example for this question is nothing but the roar of a lion having low pitch, and the birds produce the sounds having the less high pitch. At the same time, the sounds produced by the violin having the high pitch, and the sounds produced by the bass or drums having the low pitch. And these are the examples for this question. Now let us see the next question. Write the differences between noise and music. This is very important question. Noise is nothing but the sounds which are not pleasant to hear. The sounds which are not pleasant to hear is called noise. And music is nothing but, it's a controversy. The sounds which are pleasant to hear are nothing but musical sounds. And noise is an irregular combination of sounds which are unpleasant to hear. These sounds are not pleasant to hear. At the same time, music is a combination of sounds that are produced in order to pleasant to hear. These are nothing but musical sounds. Musical sounds. And these are the main differences between noise and music. The next question is, explain the identification of the pitch or shrillness of a sound with the help of an activity. Explain the identification of pitch and shrillness of a sound with the help of an activity. And the first one you should start with aim. Aim is nothing but identification of pitch and shrillness of a sound. Aim is nothing but identification of pitch and shrillness of a sound. This is about aim, and materials required to do this activity is nothing but what are the materials required to do this activity is nothing but, let us see, a wooden table and 2 hacksaw blades of nearly 30 centimeters length and a brick. And these are the materials are required to do this activity. And what is the procedure? Procedure contains some diagram, and then let us see the diagram. First of all, let us see the diagram and then I explain the diagram. See, take a table, a wooden table, and first of all you can place one blade. You can place one blade here. Means the first blade must be arranged here. At 10 centimeters of length is on the table, and remaining 20 centimeters is also on air. 20 centimeters is on air and 10 centimeter length is on a table. And let us take the second blade. It should be arranged 5 centimeters on air and 25 centimeters on a table. 25 centimeters on a table and 5 centimeters on air. At the same time, place a brick here. You can place a brick here, and you can vibrate both the bricks. You can vibrate both the bricks. Then, okay, if length is less means, less length means more vibrations. Less length of the brick means you can vibrate with the same force. You can vibrate both the blades with the same force. Then length is less means vibrations will be more. Length is more means vibrations will be less. Length is less means vibrations will be more, and length will be more means vibrations will be less. So that the number of vibrations produced per second is called frequency. The number of vibrations produced per second is called the frequency. So that the identification of pitch and shrillness of a sound. The shrillness of a sound is called pitch, and the number of vibrations made by a particle per second is called frequency. And also it is having one table also is there. That is nothing but vibration for the first blade and vibration for the second blade. Means blade 1 and blade 2. And this is nothing but first blade, blade 1 and blade 2, and sounds produced by the blades. Sounds produced by the blades. So that from this all activity, the conclusion is nothing but the number of vibrations per second is called frequency, and the shrillness of a sound is called pitch. So both are having some relation, means identification of both shrill and shrillness of a sound and pitch. Thank you.